One way that colleges grow and earn more tuition revenue is by offering more programs such as master's degrees. Unfortunately, I think many of these master's degrees are unnecessary because for most jobs, all you need is an undergrad degree. Let's use two examples to illustrate my point: finance and HR. For finance, most jobs in that field should only require an undergrad degree and nothing more. If you want to be a banker, financial analyst, financial advisor, real estate analyst, etc., then all you need is an undergrad degree in finance. You don't need a master's degree to do those jobs, and you certainly don't need a PhD, so it would be a waste of time and money to get those graduate degrees. For these small amount of finance jobs that require higher level math, the solution does not involve getting a graduate degree in finance. For example, some people want to work in quantitative trading, which is basically buying and selling investments based on complex mathematical models that use a lot of data. The few people who work in quant trading tend to focus their college education on math and computer science. These traders don't need any more financial education than what they got in undergrad, or maybe they didn't even study finance in undergrad at all and just learn what they needed to know about finance while working. For HR, an undergraduate degree should be terminal, meaning no graduate education should be required for any jobs. So I don't think someone should be paying for a master's degree in HR if they already have an undergrad degree in HR. I want to clarify a couple things. First, even though I believe an undergrad degree should end your formal education in most cases, that doesn't mean it ends your learning. You should continuously seek out learning opportunities while you're working, either through external trainings, certificate programs, new projects, rotations, etc. Second, it might seem hypocritical that I'm telling you not to get a master's degree when I have one. I have an MBA, but the reason I got that graduate degree is because I wanted to work in business, but my undergrad degree was in English. I chose to get an MBA because I had no formal business education and wanted to fill this knowledge gap. If I had studied business in undergrad, then I never would have enrolled in an MBA program, which would have saved me time and money. So graduate programs can be used to help you pivot into new careers, but once again, if you select your undergrad major carefully, then you might be able to avoid having to go back to grad school for a pivot. I'll talk more about changing grad school in a couple of future videos.